In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable Google Meet notifications. Managing your notifications effectively is crucial, whether you want fewer distractions or need to make sure you don't miss anything important. Let's dive into the process together and explore the steps to take control over these notifications effortlessly. First, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar, which is the hub for all your scheduled Google Meet sessions. Navigating to this familiar platform gives us a seamless starting point since it integrates perfectly with Google Meet. Once you're on Google Calendar, you'll need to move your attention to Google Chrome, where we'll make some specific tweaks. Within Google Chrome, locate the Customize and Control Google Chrome option, typically signified by a three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of your browser. By clicking this, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu packed with various options. From there, navigate your way to Settings. This section is essentially the control center for how your browser behaves, and adjusting these settings will allow us to manage your notifications easily. Within the Settings menu, your next step is to find and click on Privacy and Security. Here, you have access to controls that govern your account's privacy and security settings, which play a major role in how notifications show up. Once you're in there, proceed to Site Settings. This is a crucial step, as it lets us refine the way specific sites interact with your browser and ultimately your notification preferences. Keep scrolling through until you find Notifications. Clicking here will lead you to a list of sites and their notification permissions. This is where we can specify which sites, particularly Google Meet, can send you notifications. Look for Allowed to Send Notifications to see the current allowed sites. Find meet.google.com within this list. You might need to click on More Options next to it, evidenced by another three-dot icon. Now here's the point that lets you fine-tune your notification experience further. If you want to disable notifications from Google Meet, simply select Block from the list of options. This action prevents Google Meet from popping up alerts and keeps your notification center clear of unnecessary distractions. In summary, whether you're aiming to enable or disable, these straightforward steps grant you the power to decide how you want to be notified, or not, by Google Meet. Adjust these settings to fit your personal or professional needs and enjoy a more tailored digital experience. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.